Hi, this is Martin Trading. Today is July 29, 2014. Thought I would go over our trades today. Today was not an easy day to trade. Uh, the Russell opened right here and then just shot up on this yellow modified 15. There's no way to get this move up. And it did not retrace for a long time. And finally, when it did, broke the 50 here. Could not take it because the 50 is rising. We waited for the retracement. And then we took it short. And it gave us heat. It dropped. I closed the trade. First target was 7 ticks. We took 2 off at 7. It started to come back against us. I took 2 off at 5. Now, we did have a re-entry here. But this was our last trade of the day. And I just didn't have, honestly, didn't have the stomach for taking one more trade. And this was actually a beautiful trade. It went 36 ticks. Would have been almost a $500 trade. So we waited all day for the Russell to break down. And it broke down right here. And we did catch it. We just didn't milk it for all we could. And that's the shame of it. Now, I'll show you gold quickly, because gold just had nothing to trade today. It broke down. This was occurred at 8:31 in the morning. Couldn't take it. It broke down on a green 50 with no retracement. And remember, when you get moves like this in real time on a green 50, there's never any guarantee this trade isn't going to retrace, run you over, stop you out, and then continue. We just can't take these impulse moves right through a green 50 and a yellow modified 15. So there was no, and gold never retraced. After that, it just died. And crude gave us some nice opportunities. I wish I would have milked them a little bit better, but here I took a bounce off the 50. It was a little bit of an unorthodox trade, but the 15 was down, the 50 was down. The market rolled and went 20 ticks, but because our first target's +5, and when we hit +5, we moved to break even. This trade just came back and nicked us out. So it stopped us out at break even and then ran 20 ticks. So all we got was a first target, which is $100 on 4 contracts. 2 off at 5, 2 off at break even. Then this is a C candle that broke the 50. Also a little bit unorthodox, but I like the trade. The 15 was down, the 50 was down. We were trading with the trend. The market was heading down. We got a break of the 50, and it just came right back up against us. And then we had this retracement, move down, 12 ticks. This time we got 2 targets. We got 2 off at 5, 2 off at 10. This was a $300 trade. Now, I've been doing this. It's been plaguing me. This one, I took this entry. This was, again, a break to the upside on a yellow 15 right here. So I wanted to get a deep retracement. And I felt I got it here. And I went in. And actually, the trade never stopped us out. It came back 9. I closed it at -5. And this trade flew. Now, I put an order in, a limit order for this trade. A lot of people in the room got it. But since I did not get the entry, I did not book it as a win. But we had a lot of people in the room post that they did get this win. Then the C, I just wasn't fast enough. I just couldn't get that in quick enough. So the crude wound up giving us these nice opportunities. And then at the end, again, this impulse fall on a green 50, same issue. is this trade going to retrace at any given time right back into the modified 15 and stop us out? In real time trading the right edge, we just can't assume it's going to fall like this. So we had 5 trades, 3 winners, 2 losers. No banner day today, but today was no super easy day to trade. Now, if I would have taken this last trade on the Russell, we would have made almost $500. This would have been a $540 day. But it's what the market's full of what ifs. We traded back to break even. It had been a rugged day. And unfortunately, I missed these. These were 2 really, really nice crude trades. Really nice. The thing is, our signals are really great. When we get them, and they're conservative signals, they work. We don't have to chase these impulse moves or falls through a green 50 or moves up through a red 50. So we had 5 trades today, 3 winners and 2 losers. On the Russell, we went 9 ticks. We had two contracts off at +7, 2 contracts off at +5. On Crude, we went 20 ticks, but it was only a first target for $100. We went 12 ticks, 2 targets for $300. We lost 400 here and 200 here. So basically, it was a gold nothing. Net ticks 26. Net equity, all we made was $40. With commissions on 5 trades, it's a slightly negative day, but we did trade to break even. The auto trader had no trades, which is a testament really to how choppy it was and how rarely was there a very, very conservative setup. So that's it for today. We're up close to $500 or close to $400 for the week. Not a great week so far, but we're trading in the positive. And let's see if we can't close out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with 2 really, really stellar days. We did have opportunities today. Just couldn't capitalize on them. So everybody have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see everybody back in the room tomorrow. And again, please, we welcome everyone to come in to our free trial. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There's a post there to our daily net equity in the trading room, daily net equity for the auto trader. A link to our live trading room for a free trial. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com or send us or call us at 855-765-6681. Hope everybody has a really, really wonderful afternoon. Take care.